In the heart of the Cold War, a new competition ignited between the United States and the Soviet Union, the race to space. The Soviets struck first, launching Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite, in 1957. This event shocked the US and ignited a fierce technological rivalry. The US responded by establishing NASA in 1958. The space race was on, with both superpowers vying for supremacy beyond Earth's atmosphere. The race to space represented more than just technological prowess. It symbolized ideological victory. For the US, landing a man on the moon became a national priority, a demonstration of its scientific and engineering capabilities. The world watched, captivated by the daring ambition of reaching to the stars. Before embarking on the Apollo program, NASA realized the need for a stepping stone. Project Gemini, initiated in 1961, aimed to develop the technologies and techniques crucial for a lunar landing. Gemini focused on extravehicular activities, allowing astronauts to work and maneuver outside the spacecraft. Gemini missions also tested rendezvous and docking procedures, essential for the lunar orbit rendezvous strategy planned for Apollo. The program provided invaluable experience in long-duration spaceflight, with Gemini 7 setting a record of 14 days in orbit. These missions proved instrumental in paving the path for the ambitious Apollo program. In 1961, President John F. Kennedy challenged the nation to land a man on the moon and return him safely to Earth before the decade's end. This bold vision spurred the Apollo program, one of the most ambitious scientific endeavors in human history. Thousands of engineers, scientists, and technicians dedicated years of tireless work to achieve this extraordinary goal. The Apollo program involved the development of the powerful Saturn V rocket, capable of launching the massive spacecraft toward the moon. The command module, service module, and lunar module were meticulously designed, tested, and refined. The world watched with bated breath as the program progressed, marked by both triumphs and tragedies. The astronauts chosen for the Apollo missions faced rigorous physical and mental training. They endured grueling simulations, centrifuge tests, and underwater exercises to prepare for the extreme conditions of spaceflight. Their training encompassed lunar geology, spacecraft systems, and emergency procedures. The astronauts practiced lunar surface operations, collecting samples and planting the American flag in simulated lunar environments. They studied maps of the moon's surface, familiarizing themselves with its craters, mountains, and plains. Their dedication and unwavering commitment were testaments to their courage and determination. Section 5. The Eagle has landed, a giant leap for mankind. On July 20, 1969, the world held its breath as Apollo 11, crewed by Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and Michael Collins, touched down on the lunar surface. The lunar module, named Eagle, gently landed in the Sea of Tranquility, marking a pivotal moment in human history. Armstrong's voice crackled over the radio. "Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed." Millions around the globe watched in awe as Armstrong became the first human to set foot on the moon. Uttering the immortal words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," Aldrin soon joined him, and together they planted the American flag, a symbol of human achievement. Section 6.1. Small Step. Exploring the lunar surface. During their 2.5-hour moonwalk, Armstrong and Aldrin collected lunar samples, deployed scientific instruments, and captured iconic photographs of the lunar landscape. They described the surface as a desolate yet strangely beautiful world, covered in fine grey dust. Their experiments included a solar wind composition experiment and a lunar dust detector. They left behind a silicon disc inscribed with messages of peace from world leaders, and a plaque on the lunar module's descent stage that read, "Here men from the planet Earth first set foot upon the moon. July 1969. AD. We came in peace for all mankind." Section 7. Challenges in the vacuum, the perils of space. The Apollo 11 mission was not without its challenges. During the descent, a computer alarm rang, indicating an overload. The crew relied on their training and composure to override the alarm and continue the landing. The lunar module also landed with less fuel than anticipated, leaving a narrow margin for error. The extreme temperatures on the moon, ranging from scorching heat in sunlight to frigid cold in shadow, posed constant threats to both the astronauts and their equipment. Micrometeoroids and solar radiation presented additional hazards. Despite these challenges, the Apollo 11 crew successfully completed their mission, proving the resilience of human ingenuity and determination. Section 8. Returning home. A triumphant splashdown. After spending 21 hours on the lunar surface, Armstrong and Aldrin rejoined Collins in lunar orbit. The command module Columbia fired its engine, breaking free from the moon's gravity and setting course for Earth. The capsule splashed down safely in the Pacific Ocean, concluding a historic journey. The astronauts returned as heroes, greeted with global celebrations and accolades. Their mission had captivated the world, inspiring generations to dream of reaching for the stars. The Apollo 11 moon landing marked a turning point in human history, demonstrating the boundless potential of human exploration and innovation. Section 9. Legacy of Apollo inspiring generations. The Apollo program left an indelible mark on human history, not only in terms of scientific and technological advancements, but also in inspiring generations to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The program led to the development of countless technologies that have benefited society, including microchips, freeze-dried food, and cordless power tools. The Apollo missions expanded our understanding of the moon and our place in the cosmos. They instilled a sense of wonder and curiosity about the universe, igniting the imaginations of people around the world. The legacy of Apollo continues to inspire us to push the boundaries of human exploration and strive for ever greater heights in our quest to unravel the mysteries of the universe.